curl friends, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Ashley B. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. And if you are my returning subbies, I want to thank you. I am here today. It's been a few months since I did a couple of unboxings. And if you watched my last video, you knew that I tried to unbox the last CurlBox, but a bottle was broke and it was a mess. It was a mess. I'm here to unbox with you today, which is August 2018's CurlBox. I did sneak peek, not gonna lie, but I wasn't expecting this though, so that worked out. And I know you're probably wondering, like, what is going on with her hair? I'm giving y'all fro life today because my next video will be of my natural hair update. It has been a year, guys, so yeah. Let's start with what we have in here. We have some Eden BodyWorks. Oh my god, let me tell you, I love Eden BodyWorks. They leave-in conditioner is bae. Okay, it's bae. Get you some. This is hibiscus honey blow dry cream. And then we have the curly hydration conditioner. And then we have the hair tonic liquid vitamin. Ooh. And then we have the curly hydration shampoo. Last but not least, we have the hydration custard. My hair loves custards. Let me just real quick, oh wait, gotta break the seal. Hold on. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, let me cover that up before I get to playing and stuff now. And then we got just a little card explaining what we have here, which is weird because I didn't get my publication card that normally comes with it. I'm bummed. But anybody who knows Eden BodyWorks know that their line is pretty good, like really good. I am actually ecstatic because I want to use the blow dry cream. I was trying to figure out if I really wanted to. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do so. I hope you guys have been okay. Like this summer, if you live where I live, which is in Michigan, our summer has been crazy. It's been hot, cold, and raining. Hot, cold, and raining. And I don't really know how to take all of this weather. Like, I just go with the flow of the weather. I don't really know. But I'm definitely going to try this hair blow dry cream with the blow dry cream. I don't really care too much about hair, like shampoo, conditioner, because if it cleanses my hair, it cleanses my hair. Like, I'm not like big on it, as long as it's not like anything with apple cider vinegar in it, because my hair do not like apple cider vinegar. Child, feel dry, brittle, and a mess. I do not have anything else from me. But before I go, I do want to say to you that I am going to try to be more consistent with my video uploads. If you do not know, I was accepted into nursing school. So that is what I have been doing. I have been prepping myself for nursing school. And I have a few months before I start. I'm really excited. But before I started, I had to take another class, which is a medical math class, which dosage calculations. And child, when I tell you, I died 5 times and came back to life. I died 7 times and came back to life. That class was hard. But I'm done with it. I got to be out of that class. Thank you, Jesus. And next is the nursing program. So I'm trying to be more consistent with my uploads for you guys. But other than that, I don't have anything for me. To you, be blessed, stay blessed, and before you leave my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.